Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the name of a shape with 9 sides? Is it A. Nonagon, B. Hexagon, C. Septagon, or D. Octagon? The answer is A. Nonagon.
The nonagon, a 9-sided polygon, derives its name from the Latin nonus, meaning ninth. In ancient times, nonagons were believed to possess mystical properties and were often used in architecture and art to symbolize harmony and balance. Interestingly, each internal angle of a regular nonagon measures exactly 140 degrees.
Question 2. What is criminology the study of? Is it A. Crime, B. Human growth, C. Spiders, or D. The color red? The answer is A. Crime.
Criminology, the study of crime, delves into the mysterious world of criminal behavior and societal responses. It explores everything from why people commit crimes to how laws evolve. Interestingly, criminologists often analyze patterns that can predict future crime trends, making them part detective and part social scientist in their quest for justice.
Question 3. Which type of animal are the sea wasp and cubozoa? Is it A. Squid, B. Shark, C. Jellyfish, or D. Whale? The answer is C. Jellyfish.
The sea wasp, a type of box jellyfish from the Cubozoa class, is one of the most venomous creatures on Earth. Its sting can cause excruciating pain and even be fatal to humans. Despite their deadly reputation, these translucent predators are nearly invisible in water, making them both fascinating and formidable.
Question 4. Which of these people was not an astronomer? Is it A. Christiaan Barnard, B. Edmund Halley, C. Edwin Hubble, or D. Johannes Kepler? The answer is A. Christiaan Barnard.
Christiaan Barnard, renowned for performing the world's first successful human heart transplant in 1967, was a pioneering cardiac surgeon rather than an astronomer. His groundbreaking work in medicine saved countless lives and overshadowed his lesser-known passion for writing fiction, including a novel about love and medical ethics.
Question 5. What is semiology the study of? Is it A. is concerned with earth materials that can be utilized for economic and/or industrial purposes, B. the practice of escaping from restraints or other traps, C. a branch of logic focusing on part-whole relationships, or D. signs? The answer is D. signs.
Semiology, the study of signs and symbols, delves into how meaning is constructed and understood in various contexts. Coined by Swiss linguist Ferdinand de Saussure, it explores everything from traffic signals to emojis. This field reveals that even the simplest sign can carry complex cultural significance and shape human communication.
Question 6. What is oenology the study of? Is it A. parasitic worms, B. male health and disease, C. wine, or D. plant diseases? The answer is C. wine.
Oenology, the study of wine, delves into the fascinating world of viticulture and winemaking. This discipline not only explores grape cultivation and fermentation but also examines how factors like soil composition and climate influence a wine's flavor profile. Interestingly, ancient texts suggest that wine production dates back over 8,000 years to Georgia.
Question 7. Which planet did the Mariner 10 probe take pictures of in 1974? Is it A. Jupiter, B. Venus, C. Mars, or D. Mercury? The answer is D. Mercury.
In 1974, Mariner 10 became the first spacecraft to visit Mercury, capturing stunning images of its cratered surface. Interestingly, it used Venus's gravity to slingshot itself towards Mercury, a pioneering technique now common in space exploration. This mission revealed that Mercury has a magnetic field, surprising scientists who thought it was too small for one.
Question 8. Which moon is our solar system's most cratered satellite? Is it A. Luna, B. Titan, C. Io, or D. Callisto? The answer is D. Callisto.
Callisto, Jupiter's second-largest moon, boasts a surface so densely packed with craters that it resembles a cosmic pockmarked canvas. With its ancient landscape unchanged for billions of years, Callisto offers scientists a glimpse into the early solar system. Its icy crust hides potential subsurface oceans, sparking curiosity about possible extraterrestrial life.
Thanks for tuning into our science and nature quiz. Remember, even if you didn't atomize every question, you're still a natural-born genius in our book. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.